So what I'm doing is I'm taking a big chunk of slab bacon and I'm just cutting it into, oh, I don't know, about this size a cube, because we're gonna render the fat out of it. And make sure that the bacon is nice and cold. It'll make it a lot easier to cut through the fat. That one looks okay. It really doesn't matter because the fat's gonna render down. So I just like to cut it into chunks. It actually looks really pretty, really, really pretty. We'll cut this one a little bit smaller. Okay, so now we'll put all of the bacon in the pan. We start with a cold pan, and then we turn on the heat and we start rendering the fat. Make sure that all the bacon is evenly on the pan. Flatten that baby out, just like that. So while that renders, I'm gonna make a little sweetness. So this is the sweet, sort of sticky part of the bacon. We're gonna do a 1/4 cup or so of maple syrup. And I love me some maple syrup. And then we're gonna do a little bit of cayenne and a little bit of black pepper, sort of a combo of both. So we'll do about a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. You don't wanna do too much, and this is freshly cracked black pepper. And then we're also gonna do about 1/8 of a teaspoon. You could do a little bit more if you like it super spicy. Cayenne. It's strong and it's got a real kick of heat. And then we're just gonna whisk these together. So we're creating our spicy, sweet mixture that we're gonna pour over the rendered bacon. Just flip over the bacon as it gets rendered. Ooh, yeah. Oh, it smells good in here. The decor is very pretty. It was very what I would think of as a spring brunch outside. Little wildflowers, a low table on the grass underneath a tree with throw pillows, so it's really comfortable, very casual. Fun little pink and white mugs for coffee, which feel very bright, very happy, very kind of sunrise-like. Very light and very ethereal in a way. And I kind of like that for brunch. So my bacon is rendered, and now it's time to pour the maple syrup, cayenne and black pepper over the top. There we go. Oh yeah. And then we just let it cook for about 15 minutes, and you just kind of want to allow all the bacon to sit in the maple syrup and pepper mixture, and then it'll sort of start to coat and create this sticky sort of coating on the bacon. Heaven on earth is really what it is.